California. Yeah, I already passed it. I'm like a little further. Yeah, I'm closer. Yeah. What do you mean a line? Really? Okay, so I'm not gonna go on right again. Cause I was thinking about just getting off the freeway. Cause right now I just caught some traffic. Like when I got on the freeway on 35th South, I was going like around like 30 to 35, and like right now I'm going like less than 10. Cause like I just hit the traffic and I'm like behind, you know, I'm like behind a bunch of cars and everybody's just going slow. Well, did you go to softball already?
Rodrigo, ten cuidado y agarra con las dos manos.
Alright. Okay, so what are you gonna do right now? Oh, lame. What were you doing? I texted you, loser. Oh, I think I saw like something on Instagram about that shit. Where are you going?
Rodrigo.
What? Donuts? No, what makes you think I have donuts? Ooh, I'm down. Let's watch a movie or what? Oh, it feels like a Friday. It feels like a Friday. Well, if it was a Friday, like it would be dope, you know? But
Angelito.
and then have a snowball fight.
Wow.